Have you ever been excited to run your Python scripts only to be stopped in your tracks by an error? It's frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a common issue with Luigi and pickling in Python. I totally understand how annoying it is when your code runs perfectly one moment and then you hit a wall the next. You're not alone in this. Many users face similar challenges when working with Luigi and pickling data. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "Why am I getting an import error when trying to read a pickle file in Luigi?" They mentioned that their first job runs fine, but the second job throws an error related to a missing module. Sound familiar? Let's dig into this together and find a solution. So, what could be causing this issue? The error suggests that Luigi is having trouble recognizing the panda's data frame object when loading the pickle file. This could be due to scope issues or missing imports. We'll break it down step by step so you can figure out what's going on. And don't go anywhere. I've got a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid this pickle problem in the future. To address the issue with the pickle loading in the second job, the user should ensure that all necessary modules are imported correctly. Specifically, the user needs to import the pandas module in the second job. Next, the user should check the class definition of the second job. It is important that the second job can access the data frame objects stored in the pickle file. Now, the user should modify the run method in the second job to handle the loaded data correctly. This includes ensuring that the data frame is properly referenced after loading. Finally, the user should test the second job again after making these changes. This will help confirm that the pickle file is read correctly and that the data frame objects are accessible. Did you know? The term pickle in programming comes from the idea of preserving objects, much like how we preserve food in jars. Just make sure you don't leave your pickles out too long. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution comes from a user who suggests using the D6tflow library. This approach simplifies the process by eliminating the need for extensive boilerplate code. Instead of defining your own tasks, you can use D6flow's task pickle class to handle pickling automatically. This user also provides a link to an example that demonstrates how to pickle sklearn models using D6tflow, which could be very helpful for your implementation. Here's the crucial tip I promised. Always keep your imports consistent across your tasks. This simple habit can save you from many headaches down the line. And there you have it. You should be able to tackle that import error now. Remember, consistency is key when working with tasks in Luigi. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our bonus tip on effective data serialization.